ticking, time is over. Before you know you're older. So sober, alone, but you getting my cold shoulder. You crying like it's rain. You causing all the pain. No closure, I'm colder. You getting nothing, Joker.
Get down.
Before you know you're older. You're getting my cold shoulder. No closure, I'm colder. You getting nothing, Joker. Clock's ticking, time is over. Before you know you're older. So sober, alone, you getting my cold shoulder. You crying like it's rain. You causing all the pain. No closure, I'm colder. You getting nothing, Joker. Joker. Joker, 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 Joker. Clock's ticking, time is over. Before you know you're older. So sober, alone, you getting my cold shoulder. You crying like it's rain. You causing all the pain. No closure, I'm colder. You getting nothing, Joker.
Down.
You getting nothing, Joker.
Guys, little light kick session on Bob is done. I hope you all enjoyed the video. My ankle's still kind of not 100% yet quite, especially when it comes to like kicking on the bag, so still kind of taking it light as far as like kind of controlling my power a little bit when I kick Bob. If I kick too hard, it still kind of hurts. It gets a little uncomfortable, so it's keeping it light, but still want to kind of get used to kicking again, especially on the bags. But it's definitely getting much better. Just have to still be a little cautious with my power, kicking something real solid, just not too crazy footwork movements quite yet, but happy just to be back training again. Thank you all so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, follow me on Instagram. Make sure you guys leave me a comment down below on what you guys want to see next. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys later.